So, what is sacrificed? It's always something sacrificed. Um, in 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 Peanuts and Charlie Brown, again, I've mentioned my love of the pitcher's mound. Um, this holy spot, this holy land, this holy ground is sacrificed at one point, but for ridiculous things, Lucy takes it for her plant. It kind of shows you this is, irony and satire that Charlie Brown can't have a holy spot. Um, it will be sacrificed for mundane things, um, really just silly things. And they all do it after Lucy starts it. This character and then Linus, we needed some dirt for our garden, we needed some dirt for our lawn, for our window box, and suddenly you get all these chunks taken out of what was once this really revered spot. And of course, that image is just wonderful with these chunks taken out of it. And this is from Judith Van Distendal's book, um, Dance by the Light of the Moon. And I forget her lover's name. He's from Togo, he's a refugee, and it is his safety, and especially his psychic safety, that's sacrificed. He is no longer really able to be um, the person and the lover she needs him to be. His sanctity of his inner world was sacrificed long ago, and this is the sequence where he is telling those stories. And in this sequence, and this is one of the few examples where I don't remember who sent this mini comic to the Saw Library, but I remember when it came, and it's this sad story of seeing that a dog was in danger in the road, and she passes it instead of slows down, and that dog is then hit, and it weighs on her forever. Why, oh, why didn't I slow down and make the other people behind me slow down? Um, these last two aren't examples of something being sacrificed for good. They're being sacrificed, and the world is a more troubled place as a result. There are certainly examples where things are sacrificed for the greater good. Um, but in this case, the world it's more of a loss of innocence in both cases.